Hi classmates, this is your classmate Jevy. Quick update lang. So stick around for siguro mga 5 minutes lang naman. I'm excited to share something new kasi uumpisahan namin siya. New nga, di ba? So bago. If you've been sticking around, watching yung mga sinishare natin, mga contents natin, we've been interviewing mga classmates natin. And we've been sharing kung ano yung napupulot ko and updates. Pero this time, we're opening up for the public. Shared clarity, accountability, and structure session. It's a monthly thing. Live to level up light. Para kanino to and paano kanya matutulungan? Well, basically, it's for us to find direction without pressure. Yan lang. I realized something. Most of us don't fail. Hindi naman dahil tamad tayo. Pero nagkukulangan kasi tayo ng clarity. We don't need more motivational videos. We don't need more inspirational videos. Minsan mas kailangan natin yung directional videos eh. At the same time, wala naman kasing one size fits all na strategy. So, I'm trying to create this session wherein we're going to build our own direction on monthly basis. Ganun. That's why I'm launching yung Live to Level Up Light. It's a monthly space na we step back, breathe, and usapan magkakasama wherein we level up together. So we share yung progress, yung achievement, and yung goals na magkakasama. Every month, we'll have 90-minute group sessions. Siyempre, live yon into Zoom. And I'll be sharing dalawang checklist. Isa na balanced health checklist wherein you'll have an idea. Ano ba yung dapat napapansin natin internally para manatili tayong healthy. And pangalawa, yung Business Audit Lite. It's inspired by Ikigai, one of the best books na nabasa ko. It's helping us to connect yung passion natin, yung skill natin, and purpose while gaining profit. Okay, para kanino to? If you're a freelancer or meron kang business or you're leading a team and you need structure, hindi lang motivation, this is for you. This monthly call gives you a taste kung ano yung mga ginagawa ko dun sa Level Up Accountability Session and dun sa Virtual Business Integrator where we turn clarity into systems. You have to start with clarity kasi before we speed things up. So, kailan mangyayari to? Tentative date natin is November, 2nd to 3rd week. And entry level lang siya. It's only 1,000. Easy step to get clarity and connect with your classmates na into development talaga, na invested doon. Well, kaya nga may konting investment siya, di ba? So, paano magpa-reserve nung slot? PM nyo lang ako, Clarity. I'll send you a link and usap tayo. Thank you. Live to level up. Be a student, not a follower. Be a good asker. Bye.